Welcome again, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I'm showing an amazing software which is called Rayboot Pro. Rayboot Pro gives you several cool features to your phone. When you connect your phone to your Mac or Windows phone, you can see that it's automatically recognized, and it tells me that I can easily enter recovery mode, I can easily exit recovery mode, and I can repair many different things, many problems which you might have with your iOS. So you can fix. The important thing is it doesn't support repair hardware, so don't expect this, but mistakes like stuck on Apple logo, recovery mode loop, black screen, and many others you can actually repair with this. In case this doesn't work, if you click fix now, it's gonna install the latest software and it's gonna bring it back to the new version. But if it doesn't work, you always have the option to go for the deep repair, and it will erase all data on your device. So this is just the final solution. But go ahead and check it out. Rayboot Pro, amazing software. Welcome everyone, welcome to the new video. And unlike everybody else, we are doing the video on jailbreak tweaks, and I've made a compilation of the 100 best paid jailbreak tweaks that I've ever seen. Let's go. A Pays 2 paid tweak. Billions of settings for each app, so you can select any of these: separate brightness, separately selected volume, Wi-Fi, airplane mode when you start the app. Great. Arc customization for your lock screen or your home screen, so quick access to apps. See, you can set it up any way you like. Arch, lock your apps individually. For Face ID or fingerprints, you can select any app to lock. I chose Cydia, so you see you can only open the Cydia if you pass the test. Ares, customization of the looks of Siri, already implemented in iOS 14, but if you prefer jailbreak, Ares is the thing for you. Hey Siri. There you go. Arise immediately shows present notifications, today view, or starts a wallpaper when you wake your device or unlock it. For example, see, there you go. Astrid, super cool looks of your switcher. Hold it and I can see my open apps and I can start them, or you can just swipe it and remove it. Odyssey, the most powerful media importer. You can do pretty much whatever you want with your audio devices. Import songs, create ringtones, do whatever you prefer, even entire albums. Aurora, you can set up any song from Spotify or Apple Music to wake you up in the morning. You can change billions of things here. You just input the song link and it's gonna recognize it. So when we test it, this is how it's gonna look like. As the song progresses, the volume increases. When I dismiss, good afternoon. Barrel, a paid tweak that does this. I know there is a free one, but I'm emotionally attached to this one. This is Barrel. Battery notch, it customizes the look. It places the battery progress bar on your notch, so you can see the lower the battery, it will decrease and changes the color. Battery ramp for fast charging and hibernation, many other things. So when you want to plug in your phone, you will get the notification that you want to enter the battery ramp mode, which will be the limited functionality, but it will charge much faster. Better alarm, great way to be woken up in the morning with a very nice, very big interface all over the screen, and you cannot miss that decline button or the snooze button. BioProtect 10S, another amazing tweak for locking your apps with many more options compared to Arch. The next one is Board Banner 13, super cool notifications. Callbar 10S, the amazing manager of your calls. For example, they can look something like this, your incoming phone calls, as you can see. Carbonite is the tweak which adds additional functionality to your reachability window. Circube for YouTube, music in the background, downloading, whatever. So you have many cool settings with purchasing Circube. Comet is a super cool tweak which enables widget on your screen like iOS 14. I can just do it with this and I can get a nice widget. Complications, widgets or complications from your Apple Watch placed as a widget on your home screen. Contact Sync, an extension for Watosi2 which syncs your contact images. Copy log, shown it many times. When you copy the text, it saves it in your, as a snippet. Cozy badges, they really make your badges notifications look really nicely. So let's see how it looks like. If I get a notification, this is the cozy badge over here. Custom lock 2, many customizations to your lock screen. This is one of the ways how you can do it. Another super cool tweak for customizing your notifications, Dane. So the notifications and the banners will look like this, pretty awesome. Delete contact, a must-have tweak. With a swipe you can delete contact, or you can delete the whole group of contacts. So just do this and you can delete the contact. DLEasy, must-have. Download pretty much everything from any social media platform. Dope Convos, full customization of your messages experience, so you can do pretty much anything you want with your messages app. Fabric 2, full customizations of colors throughout your system on your lock screen or home screen. On the other hand, Facade Color just customizes your status bar, so my lock screen would look like this. This is Fabric 2, this is Facade Color. Firefly customizes your notifications again. You have the glow, you have animations, you can customize all sorts of things. So when we receive a notification, see, my messages icon is glowing. Float tab just does a little small thing in your applications like App Store. Just makes your tab here floating. So Flow tweak enhances your listening music experience on your lock screen. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can just flow like this and go through different songs. Twitter Fly is a tweak which enables interesting notifications in your Twitter app. Let's see. So this is how it looks like. So the Twitter app starts to fly. See? Gesto is a super awesome tweak that completely redesigns multitasking on your phone. So it looks like this. You have the control center down and you have these additional features on the side. Glow is the super tweak for always on display and notifications and lock screen customization. So this is how it's gonna look like when you lock your device. See, I said super cool. This is Green Potion. It shows you the battery level when you tap on it. It can even speak the battery level. Groupie is another tweak that plays with your notifications. So on the lock screen, your notifications are organized like this. So you can just tap on it and move from one to the other. Himiko 13 kills the all background with double tap on your home screen. iAuto Reply is a paid tweak which automatically responds to your iMessages. So you can set up for all contact and you can set up the reply, or you can even have word matching. So I received the message and after 5 seconds my phone responds automatically. Indie is a super cool tweak that does this. You click on the battery, you see the percentage. You click on the time, you see the date. Instagram Plus, a must-have tweak for Instagram, where you can have many features. You can save the media, you can have the posts like confirmation, follow confirmation. Insta Launcher 2 places this shortcut here where you can access all your apps from this menu on the right hand side. Iris tweak customizes your iMessages again. So you can have groups there, you can have pinned conversations, you can have you can hide the conversations, you can do many different things with Jellyfish, well-known lock screen tweak. Very simple, very straightforward, and very nice looking. Jumper is a tweak for your lock screen again, which gives you option to replace those buttons for the torch or the flashlight and the camera with shortcuts that you prefer. So you can customize these apps. Calm is the all-time favorite, again tweak for the lock screen, and it gives you tons of different customizations that you can do, from colors through fonts, date formats, and many other things. And the way it looks like, this is one of the potential ways how it can look like. There are many tweaks to kill the background apps. One of them is a paid one, Kill Background 13. So you can have many options. Again, kill the music, don't kill the music. You can kill the background by swiping down, etc, etc. So when you do like this, you just click here and you can click all the apps. Another tweak for killing the background apps, Kill Axe Pro. So you don't need both of them. What it does, what's different, you get this axe here below, with which you can kill all the apps. Now we have one tweak for the dock. So it's called Lakeside, and you can enable the looks of your dock. As you can see, mine looks like the old school dock from iOS 6 or 7. Last Look is a super cool tweak for your lock screen, which does the following. When you lock your device, it will give you the last look of your notifications and time and date. Lock Shut is the tweak for security purposes, for security issues. So if you forget your phone and this tweak is enabled, nobody will be able to shut your phone down, so you can track it and find it later on. The tweak called Love enables you to like your songs from your lock screen. When you have any song playing, you don't have this. So when you push down this control center, you see that the current song is added, or it can be easily removed from the liked songs. A famous tweak, Links, for the customizations of the entire system. So you can do many things. As you can see, I removed the dock, I removed the badges, I removed the icon names. You can get this little thingy here on the top where you can get the information about your device. I've shown this tweak recently, Lyricify, which brings the lyrics to the lock screen with this click of a button. Very simple, very straightforward. Magma Evo gives you the full customization options for your control center. So I've changed everything to black background, and these toggles, as you can see, only glyphs with green color. Media Bar is a newer tweak which transforms your media player to a simple bar, and you can even disable the whole full screen of your now playing thingy. So you can see I don't have anything, but I have this bar over here, and when I tap on it I can get the controls, a very tiny one, so if you don't want to have your screen crowded. There is another tweak which customizes your music experience. It's called Melody, and this is how your player can look like if you install this tweak. Very cool tweak. Melted Crayons, another tweak for music, and it customizes how your music player looks like when you have it across the screen. So you see that the colors are like melted and spread all around. So this is Melted Crayons. So the next one is Miriam. Miriam is another tweak similar to Links, which does tons of customizations throughout your iOS. So you can see you can add these percentages here, you can remove the icon names, app labels, billions of stuff. Minotaur is the tweak which gives this nice little bell on your status bar where you can quickly see your notifications one by one, and you can even, remove them if you like to do so. Multipla customizes your dock experience, and you can just swipe to the left, or you can even customize the gesture, and you can see different, let's call them widgets, whatever you want. N95 is a paid tweak which does this nice customization of your artwork of the now playing song. As you can see, these are like taped things. You have many themes which you can choose from, These are the default one, plus you can have more themes. If you want to go, you can download them from the one is the all-time favorite next up to tweak, which shows you which song is coming next after the currently playing one, and you can even, you know, remove it. You can also customize the way it looks like. No to Theft 3 basically protects your iPhone from being stolen, and if somebody makes a mistake with your passcode, it will take a photo, send it to the designated phone number or email, and you can also disable the shutdown and send location info on your phone. So notification is another paid tweak which improves your notifications, gives you very cool, very nice animations on your lock screen once you enable it. The notification does basically this. See, this is how the notification will look like. Nougat is a super awesome notification center tool or tweak which reminds us of Android. So you invoke it here and you have all your needed controls right from the center of your screen. So you Online Notify, another amazing paid tweak which goes together with Watusi 2, which I'm gonna come to next. So it notifies you once your desired contacts are online. Only you. Super cool tweak which enables just this, and it's more than enough. So you have your favorite contact you can put on your lock screen, and when you press and hold, you can call, FaceTime, WhatsApp chat, send SMS or Messenger chat. Very cool tweak. Photon, the coolest always on display tweak, which has this look. This is the minimalistic look I prefer, so you can have it always on like this. The next tweak is called Pinheads for iOS 13, and it gives you pinned messages as you would get them in iOS 14. Prism is another well-known tweak which changes your control center and puts it down, and you can do tons of customizations with the tweak. There is no need for special explanations. Pullover Pro is another cool tweak which enhances your multitasking. So it gives you this little grabber on the right hand side, so you can invoke the app which are there. Also, when you hold and press, you have multiple apps that you can open, you know. Quart is a tweak which completely redesigns your notifications on the lock screen and throughout the device. It has billions of settings, and currently notifications with Quart look like this. As you can see, you just swipe and you can easily go into the app. Quick Connect is the next tweak which gives quick access to your favorite contacts in Switcher or in the lock screen. In Switcher, you can see the Quick Connect here, and on the lock screen you can replace one of those two buttons. So here you can have for quick access the favorite contacts. So Quick LS quickly changes your lock screen, as you can see. So you have shortcuts which are completely customizable. So instead of these two traditional buttons, you can put whatever you want. So Roadrunner is a tweak which keeps your music playing even after respring. So you can hear the music. By the way, this is my song. So when I do the respring, you can still hear the music, right? So it just continues going. Safari Downloader Plus gives you the option to download basically anything through your Safari, and you get this option here, so you can download videos, different files, you can import them, you can delete them, you can read them. Scorpion is another tweak for which the iOS 14 borrowed the functionality too. So when you receive a phone call, you get unintrusive, you see, interface. With Select Emoji, you set your favorite emojis, so it doesn't change whenever you type to someone. So these favorite emojis here, they stay the same. Short Look, another paid tweak for your notifications. So the notifications look like this. Entire screen, and then it goes and opens the lock screen. Smart Battery is a tweak which enables low power mode and other features of your battery when you put them on charger. So you see it's immediately in the low power mode and in the airplane mode, and you get the basic information about your battery. Smart Network gives you tons of features for your networking. You can protect the Wi-Fi list, you can have Wi-Fi boosted, you can have it quick tap to enable. Smart Notifications enable customizing sound for each application. So if you want to have custom sound, you just go inside and you can select from several custom sounds, and you can also add your own. Snapper 2, the best tweak ever. When you do this, you can copy any text, anything that's on your phone, and you double tap, it stays there forever. Whenever you want to move it, you can remove it, you can increase it, decrease it, and you can have an OCR, you can recognize the text. Sonic is a tweak, paid one for customization of your ringtones. So you can select the custom sounds from your phone if you have something saved, or you can select it from the online sources. Spear is a tweak which gives you this kind and gives you this cool look in your switcher. So you have time and date, and you can kill all the apps with this spear. You have flashlight and you have the camera. Spring Artwork is a super cool tweak to customize your music experience, and you can see that it takes the whole home screen and lock screen. Springtomize 5, similar to Lynx, gives you all system-wide customizations. This thingy here, more icons on your home screen, and this. Spy is the paid tweak that protects your privacy. You can lock your device so nobody can touch anything, and you can enable it like this. So it's enabled and the applications cannot be started. Status Weather shows you the weather in your status bar when you lock your device. Super Recorder, an amazing tweak for recording phone calls. Make sure to enable this. Similar to Pullover Pro, we have Switcher tweak, which gives you the option to invoke apps as a shortcut for your apps, or you can put it to be the recent apps. Tritium is another always on display tweak, similar to Photon, just looks a little bit different. There you go. Tune gives you this super cool looking media player on your lock screen. Ultrasound, super cool, amazing tweak for your volume HUD. Velvet has this super cool looking notifications on your lock screen and throughout your device. Viper enables these two things on the top of your home screen and also your widgets. Vatusi 2 is an old school tweak, must have for WhatsApp. Privacy features, protection features, status add-on features, many things to customize from. Xeon Rewritten just gives you this cool Apple logo in your top left corner. Finally, Yobun Pro gives you this option with 2 fingers up. You get these cool features, fast respring, restart, etc. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I've compiled 100 paid tweaks with a total value of over $115 for you to see, test, and see how it works before buying. Let me know what you think. Thank you.